This right here is a great combination. This is the COSRX Peptide Boosting System. The great COSRX Snail Mucin 96 combined with the Peptide Booster. This is a Snail Mucin 96 that I've been using for a while, and I can really tell you how great it makes my skin feel. It helps address irritation. It's a great cleansing exfoliant. It goes in this order. First, you use the peptide serum. I'm excited to add this to my regimen. Clean face, completely removed of makeup, and this is what you're going to do before you add any moisturizers. 2 to 3 pumps of the serum. It feels rich. Wow, it's very nourishing and thick feeling. It's luxurious. It's a little tingly. I like the way it feels. I can feel something happening. I like that feeling a lot. So we will see the results. Continue to use it before you apply the Snail Mucin essence right here. This is the great product that we all know and love, and I've been using it for several months now, and it really feels great on my face. I like to apply 2 or 3 pumps morning and night for both of these. There's nothing quite like this feeling. It's rich. It addresses so many concerns, and it is a wonderful product. I have enjoyed using it for several months, and I can feel the difference. This set together is available now on Amazon. It's skin changing, and I know that you will like it.